Hello guys, my name is Vito.
My name is Pasha.
In BHR Fan. Today we're gonna make
baking soda volcano experiment.
and this is our first experiment ever do at YouTube. And
And I also ever made this with Fatty, but it's the original.
so and what's up, Triple V family? So, I mean, three little F family. No, three little family shot. Subscribe to that channel. That's my cousin. And you're wondering, what is this?
This is a volcano, but it's not so similar.
Because this is the only clay that we have, and that's it. And yeah, so the first ingredient we need vinegar. Next, baking soda.
Next, dish soap and food coloring and spoon.
So the first step, we need to add
Baking soda. 3 spoons of baking soda.
Oh, thankfully there's this. Oh no. Oh, what happened to the Wait, is it wrong? Let's retest with this first. Wait,
What happened to the baking soda, guys?
oh,
Oh my gosh, we have to open it. We can open it with the spoon.
no? Ah, come on. I need to look.
Wait. Still bring.
Oh no, my helper scissors. Okay, there you go. Thank you, delivery guy. Oh,
You
can I put the rest of this? Because we just buy this and this is brand new, so that's fine.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it. 1.
I hope we did this
One more.
correctly. 3.
Done.
And they
Now-
say next we need to add a little bit of
Yeah, I will pour it. Where is it?
I hope this works.
Where do we pour it? Inside?
A little bit drip.
Drip.
Don't sing that song, please. Oh. I'm not
Wait.
Bro, wait.
Bro, wait. Okay, that's good. Now 1 drip.
Oh, no.
Drip.
A little bit, yeah.
That's it. I pour it.
Yeah.
Now we.
Now a little bit of dish soap.
No, I will pour it.
No, I want to.
I'm scared pouring that the vinegar.
Vinegar, no, not villager. You mean the villager of Minecraft or something?
Yeah.
Okay, there's soap.
Okay. Now the vinegar, the final step.
Why do you call it vinegar? Vinegar.
Vinegar. Vinegar. The last thing is vinegar.
I hope this works. If not,
You have to see part. You have to.
if not, I think our experiment failed. Ooh.
What is coming?
But Marsha, wait. I think we need to
Baking soda again.
I think we need to add some more baking soda.
Wait, it's coming. He's coming.
Come on, add more vinegar.
More vinegar again.
Oh, it is.
Whoa! It's exploding! Yay!
Yes, it works.
Wow!
Oh my God. Put it in here.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this!
Okay, I've done something else.
Again.
Wow, dude, I don't believe what this is.
I think it's actually poisonous. Hello, my name's Fala. Now you're
Oh, hell no.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. No, sorry.
No. Okay, that's how to make our baking soda experiment. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned, baby. Peace. Bye-bye. Bye. Because the 400 subscribers. Peace.
Peace.